with our existing laws such as RA 9184 and relevant GPPB issuances and other further support of RA 11469 or Bayanihan Hill Act as one. The price of PPE and other supplies are fair and reasonable because they were even cheaper with the old prices. Nung pumutok ito, mahal talaga kasi walang supply. Pag walang supply, may agawan, ang seller magkapresyo siya. O sinong ako bibiliin ko, awagan, agawan na. So ganon, mahal pagka walang supply. Ngayon, ang supply